Alright, so this is the bottom plate for the washing machine. And those really aren't burn marks, it's just lots of grease. And the gear system that runs the agitator, it's a lot has leaked out over the years. I don't think it's all just gone in one shot, but it is kind of ugly. And there's a fair bit of it. And if I look at this, I got it upside down right now. And just for memory purposes, I've got this battery attached to the phone. I just need a second here. Alright. So everything's fine. And if I spin it the other way, it's fine. And if I look down inside here, let's find a good spot. Okay, I need the other hand. Alright, try that again. So there's a counterweight, but the bearing on the tub there, it's nice. Right, it's not really, it's not dry. Everything spins nicely. Sounds all lubed up, and I can hear the sound of wet grease here. So I mean, it isn't dried out. There's still lubricant in the gear system. The belt is good. The motor spins. The pump to pump the water out, it goes good. But the wash machine don't work. And the switch that turns the different cycles and everything, it's fine. Just replaced not too long ago, maybe 6 months ago. So I mean, it just in the drying cycle refuses to go get spinning. So the only thing that I can envision is when you turn it right side up, that something's rubbing. So I'll have to reassemble it and put it right side up and spin it again. And determine if it really is a bearing, and if not, then I can't take it all apart thinking that I can replace some part that I don't need to replace and think it'll start working magically. So it's time to reassemble because there's nothing I can see here that's worth taking apart yet. There's a good picture. So yeah. Can't go very far with this. I could take it to a repair shop, but don't know what my next move is.